Meaning of Elizabethan.
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 Elizabethan. Elizabethan refers to the period of English history during the reign of Queen Elizabeth I, from 1558 to 1603. This era is known for its significant cultural and artistic achievements, including the works of playwrights such as William Shakespeare and Christopher Marlowe. The Elizabethan era was also marked by significant developments in trade, exploration, and colonization, as well as political and religious conflicts. Its legacy continues to be celebrated and studied today for its impact on literature, art, and global history.